Today I'll be showing you how to record just audio on your Chromebook. First thing to do is open up the web store. To do that, click the launcher at the bottom, click the arrow to pull up, click Web Store, type in Voice Recorder. In the first option, Audio Voice Recorder Pro. Click Add to Chrome, add extension, and you can see it's loaded. To start recording, click the Start button. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. And when you're done, click Stop. Test 1, 2. It will automatically play. After you're finished, click Download, and it will be downloaded. And we need to share this file with someone. So click the Files, go to your Downloads, try the most recent date, collapse your Google Drive. We're going to click and drag this into My Drive. Now, open up My Drive because we want to share this with someone. Click the Recent, and this is the recent file. We're going to click it, and we're going to click the Share button. We're going to type in the person that we want to share it to, and click Send. Once that's all done, we want to remove this extension that we just installed. So hover over the extension, take 2 fingers on the mouse pad and hold down, and click Remove from Chrome, and remove. After that's done, you have now finished everything and you're good to go. Have a good day.